There it is. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It is so hot in California. It's like 90 degrees and just hella humid. So I'm gonna pump this out as fast as I can. Today we have a fun one. We're gonna be painting my front bumper, my Voltex Rep from Group A. And we're taking it over to DTM Auto Body out in El Monte, California, around the Los Angeles area. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. I'm gonna be picking up Gino in a little bit. He's gonna be driving my Lexus and I'll be driving my Honda out there, so I can drop off the car, leave it there for about a week, pick it up, and show you guys the results. So another reason too why I want to pump this video out is just so I can document on how the car looks as of right now. I have the stock AP2 bumper, no CR lip, no AP2 lip, so for sure not aggressive by any means. And I know once I throw on this this front bumper that I'm getting painted, it'll change the look of the car drastically. So I also want to show you the front bumper just in case anybody else is interested in getting it. So again, it's a Group A Voltex Rep, so Type V. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's street style, and with the carbon fiber lip. So let's get it started. So this is how the car sits right now. This is going to be the OEM stock front bumper for the AP2s. And if you've seen in my last video, I did a walk around on what I've done to the car so far. So my most recent installs are going to be my Fortunato 500 coils. I love the way they sit and how they roll. But in regards to the front bumper, again, just stock and sits as is. The only thing that I've done to it is going to be this Top One Motorsports, going to be the license plate tilt frame holder thing. I don't know, but in California you can definitely get pulled over for it not having a front license plate, so I just at least wanted to have it with a few JDM points being tilted. I have over here the black OEM Honda badge straight from Japan. It was a little pricey. It was like 50-60 bucks, but you can find it on eBay, and it's going to be OEM. Pretty solid. Other than that, I have a few little chips on my front bumper, and the undercarriage too is a little messed up, and then this thing too, this is flapping because the previous owner did not take very good care of the front bumper. But pretty excited on how it's going to sit after it's fixed up and after I throw the front bumper on. Definitely going to be keeping this bumper though, just so I can have all 10 VINs if I ever decide to give away the car, sell the car, trade the car, etc. So yeah, so this is going to be the Group A Type V street style front bumper. It's going to be a Voltex Rep, as you can tell. The carbon fiber on here looks so good. Inside fiberglass. So if I wanted to take the lip off, all I got to do is unscrew these and it comes right off. I was actually going to unscrew it and just bring the fiberglass to the DTM, but after talking to the owner of Group A, he said to bring all of it at once, so when they clear coat it, it has the same shine all around. So I'm pretty excited on that because it's less work for me. I don't have to take it off. And this is going to be the tab where the VINs would usually be. But yeah, I just wanted to get a quick little walk around to show you how the bumper looks beforehand and after looks how it's painted. What is good, everyone? Welcome to part 2 of this video. I'm going to be picking up my car after so I dropped off my car last Monday and today is Wednesday the next week, so a little bit of time, but I'm going to pick up Gino. We're going to head to DTM Auto Body out in El Monte, pick up the car, stop by Draft's house, and yeah, see how it is. Let's go. Gino! Yeah, so again, bumper's ready, so we're gonna go pick up my bumper out in El Monte. Can you see the spider webs? Oh my gosh, I have so many spider webs on my freaking car. But anyways, pick up the bumper, head to Drass, and yeah, just check out the bumper and see what of a quality job they did. What's good?
You making a video?
Hello, dude.
I'm making a video.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. No, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's get this. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Can I see?
Don't look, don't look, don't look.
Oh shit. Sneak peek. And there it is. Got the front bumper. Looks really good. The carbon fiber is shining in the sunlight right now. So we have my old bumper over here too. So I have my old badge too, the OEM Honda badge and my tilt. I'll probably put the tilt inside the grooves here, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure that later on. I missed this car. It's been a week and a half without her. Damn. All right, let's go. So we got my car back from DTM. We just parked on the side and it looks good. Final verdict is that it definitely could be better. The experience that I had with DTM wasn't the best for customer service and things like that, but overall, Group A did a super good job with the bumper. Fitment is on point, so if you ever have, you know, if you want to change the look of your car, definitely check out Group A. But paint job and things like that from DTM, it's nice, it's definitely cool, but it's not as spot on as I thought it would have been. But for the most part, it looks really good. Can't really complain. So here's the car.
Shorty go jogging every morning, and she make me breakfast almost every morning, and she take a nigga pic before she leave the door. I be waking up the pics before.
So as Gino mentioned, and as we were trying to get out of the place, my front bumper is significantly lower. It's still not that low though, so I'm pretty happy with how it sits. It's definitely a lot lower, which I'm pretty happy about though. Overall, I'm pretty stoked with how much of a difference this front bumper makes. But look at the lines from this front bumper. Don't mind this right here, that's from the old bumper, but it's matched up pretty freaking good. There's some slight work like right here. You know, it doesn't match up perfectly, but this side's perfect. This side's perfect. So pretty happy with how the front bumper turned out. So 100% Group A did a fantastic job with the Group A, the Type V bumper. It looks really good, not gonna lie, it looks really good. Took it over to DTM and I don't know, I didn't really have the best customer experience over there. But heading to Draft's house and yeah, good from there. Gino's driving my car. He looks good.
It's hot.
Dude, it's stupid hot. You can turn on the car, sorry, I turned it on. All right, we'll be back. So we made it back to Drat's house, and man, oh man, she does look good. I'm glad that the carbon fiber now matches the carbon fiber that I have on the side mirrors, and it also matches the aggressiveness, which I was pretty happy about. So we still have the carbon fiber side skirts to throw on, which we'll do later on, and TEs and everything, which are going to be thrown on this Friday. So pretty excited for those two. Gino's going to come with me and my other friend Nico, so we're going to roll up to 714 Tires in Westminster and then throw everything on. So I'm glad I'm finally throwing everything on together, like literally all together. So yeah, get it knocked out all at once. So my honest opinion on the front bumper itself is that the mold from Group A looks great. The Type V bumper looks spot on, super close on the edges, and it honestly fits great, almost like OEM. Almost. The only con that I have on this is this little gap right here, but this side doesn't have it. But other than that, all the lines match up, and this fender fits so well. So again, Group A, thank you very much, and go check them out for sure. DTM Auto Body, in regards to the paint job, it's cool. I'm not too satisfied with it, just because the customer service wasn't the best when I went to the shop. But the paint overall is very close to OEM, but definitely not spot on. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but there are two shades. So the front bumper is a little lighter than the actual paint, but from afar it doesn't look that bad, and I'm sure with a little sun it'll start baking together. So the clear coat looks good, carbon fiber looks really good, especially in the sunlight. I don't know if you can catch that. But yeah, dude, super happy on how it came out. 100% changed the aggressiveness of the car. So the front bumper itself, I got it for $850 from Group A out the door. And then also for the paint job, Group A was able to talk to DTM, and I was able to get the full paint job and clear coat and everything for $650, around $650. So altogether, that price that I paid to change the entire look of the car, I totally think it's worth it. The OEM front bumper without a lip does not look aggressive, in my opinion at least. And for sure, Voltex, woo, super super aggressive. But I think we're gonna chill here for a little bit, talk to Gino Giraffe, and hang out.
It's gonna look crazy once he gets like the wheels and tires and everything on it.
Stay tuned for that video too, so that's gonna come out soon.
That's happening this week.
It is, I know. I'm gonna try to split it up though. Then you have Giraffe,
Can't wait. Hello. J Money, J Rad.
J Money, J Rad, J Money, and Gino Bling. So that's gonna be it for us today. Again, picked up the S2000, got the front bumper on, so we have a good amount of plans left. So today is Wednesday. On Friday, I'm gonna be taking the S2000 up to 714 Tires in Westminster, and we're gonna get my tires thrown on, my tires and my TEs, and get them thrown on, get the suspension all dialed in, get the alignment, and we'll be good from there. So until that video, deuce.